How do you find great product ideas to sell on Amazon here in Australia? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you a very simple strategy and a really great product category too to help you find all the products that you would need to sell on Amazon here in Australia. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you figure out what to sell on Amazon, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I will know that you want more information just like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you've got any questions or comments, comment below and I'll answer it personally for you. And once people invest, would they then get issued a share certificate?
Exactly. So when you invest, go through the deal page, you'll sign digitally an investment agreement, and that's basically saying that you've read the shareholders agreement, you've read the constitution, and you're signing up to invest in this company. Then once we close the raise, we will wait till Oodle Foods sends out the share certificate, and once they've done that, we will then transfer the funds to them. So yes, you will get a share certificate.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There's over 2,500 of us here in Australia from all different walks of life with sales on Amazon of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and see how we can help you, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and you'll find out just how much we can help you grow your Amazon business. Till then, see you on the inside. Bye.